Kristen. Today I have a Trunk Club unboxing for you guys. So if you're not familiar with Trunk Club, it is a $25 styling fee, and if you have a Nordstrom card, that's waived. So I wanted to see what I would get in my trunk, and if you like these kind of unboxings, stay tuned. So we're gonna open the trunk and see what's in there. What my stylist does, she sends me a preview and then I decide what I want her to send and what I want her to take back. So it looks like I have a couple pairs of shoes, another pair of shoes, and then here's a bundle of clothing, and then a top on a hanger, and it's like a cardigan. So what I'm gonna do is take everything out of the bundle in the bags, and then I'll be right back. So what I'm gonna do is a little bit different. I'm gonna go through the items and then tell you the prices, then try everything on, and then at the end tell you what I'm gonna decide to keep. So the first item is these shoes, and I already have these in black, so we shall see. These are adorable. They're the Tory Burch slides, super cute. I wore my black ones today. These are the Miller Flip Flop, and they're $198. So these are adorable. I know I love these, but I already have them in black, but I'll try them in brown. So we'll see if I like them. Okay. So that's that. Next pair of shoes is Sam Edelman. I just went to Nordstrom Rack and I actually got a pair of the shoes from them, and they're super cute and comfortable. So these are the other ones. They're like a gold material, like really cool. These look super comfortable. So we will see. These are $67.50, size 8. Okay. We will try these on. And drop the box. All right. Next we have is this Madewell jacket, and it is a jean jacket. It's super soft. It's cool. I like this on the sleeves. Very nice. And this is a Madewell denim jacket, and it's $98. It's the first item. Okay. Next we have looks like a dress, and it is by Halogen, and it is navy and white stripe, and looks like there's a tie at the waist, and actually it is pants, so it is not. It's like a jumper. 3/4 length sleeves. Sleeves are like this. I'll try this on so you can get a better view. And this is Halogen, $99. So these prices are a little bit higher than Stitch Fix, but the qualities you could tell is a lot nicer. So these are Blank New York, the Madison crop denim jeans, and they're super soft. I love Blank New York. They have a little bit of distressing on the knee, and then the hem is rough like that. So these might fit me at the ankle because I am short. These are high rise, and these are, let's see here, $98. So we'll try these. Blank New York is kind of my favorite jeans. Next we have here is a dress, which is a blue color. I love this color. It's a straight length dress, and it looks like there is a slit there on the side. So this is the item something navy, and it's an extra small. So we'll see about that. That's gonna fit, and this is $69. So we'll see. It's just a basic blue dress with a little slit on the side. So we'll try that. And then next we have Blank New York Fulton style jean short, which I love these. These are super cute. These are $68. Love these, and there's no real distressing on the back. So we'll see how those fit. And next are some Vigos shorts, and these are $49. Super cute, some distressing on the front as well. Adorable. Okay, next is Nick and Zoe extra small. This sweater is $118. Wow. And it doesn't even feel soft. It's just a light blue 3/4 length sleeve sweater. Super plain. Next, I really like this top. So this is this black camisole top. And you can see the front, how there is some like design here. Super cute. And this is by Socialite. And this is $35. And I'll try that on with the jean shorts. Be super cute. Next is this green top. I'm not sure, is this color green in? Because I got a cardigan from my Stitch Fix in the same color. And the sleeves are really cute. It came on a hanger and it's Gibson. And this is $56, this top. So we'll see. And last but not least is this long cardigan, which is super cute. Has some slips on the side and some pockets. This would look really cute with these or the Tory Burch and this black. Oh, this is gonna look so cute. So I'll try this on with the jeans or the jean shorts. So stay tuned for the try on. So the first outfit I have on is the black top, which is super cute. Very cute. I like the distressing there. So next is the long, let me bring you guys down, the long cardigan and the jean shorts. They fit really nice. They're a little bit big in the waist. I usually wear a 24. These are a 25, so they're not really my size, but they're super cute. This outfit's really nice, but I really like this cardigan. It's really nice, but I'm short. If it was a little bit shorter, I think it would be perfect. And I'm gonna try the shoes on for you guys so you can see. So first is the Tory Burch flats. They're very nice. You can see them, super cute. And then the next pair is the Sam Edelman, which really goes cute with this outfit. And there they are. Very nice. These are cute for the beach. But yeah, there's the first outfit. Okay, next I have the blank New York shorts. Again, these are very large in the waist and in the back as well. And here is the sweater. I mean, it's cute, but not worth $118. It's kind of scratchy and you can see through it. Next, I'm gonna try on the jean jacket, which is also $118. So let's see how this fits. Actually, I have to undo these. This does not fit well at all. It feels like I can't like stretch my arms out, but it's baggy here. But it is super cute and it fits really nice. I like the buttons. They're really cute. Very pretty. It is a nice jean jacket and I don't own anything like this. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. These are the shorts and then the top. Okay, I'm gonna come back with the next outfit. Okay, next is the green top. It is cute. It fits nice. It's a little big and baggy. I don't really like the sleeves here because as soon as you lift your arm, you can see it in your whole arm. But yeah, I mean, it's not bad. Next is these jeans. I put them on. They fit everywhere, but I cannot button them. Unfortunately, they just didn't fit. Okay, next is this blue dress with the slit up the side. No, this is not anything I'll be keeping. I like the color and everything, but this is the absolute no for me. Okay, last item is this jumper. Yeah, this is not something I would wear. It just doesn't fit good on me. The legs are kind of wide at the bottom and they're like up to my ankles. This is a definite no. I think I like this though, but yeah, it just doesn't flatter me at all. So this is a definite no. Okay guys, so I'm back. Here is a recap of some of the items. So these Sam Edelman shoes, these are cute. So I have a $25 credit, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be getting these or something else. The Tory Burches I'm gonna send back because I just got a black pair. So these are super cute though, I love them. If I didn't get the black pair, I probably would have bought those. This jumper, yeah, no, it's going back. Blue dress, yeah, no, that's going back. Green top, no, I don't care for it at all. These shorts, they were a little bit too big in the waist and too long for me. Like a little bit shorter, tiny bit, not too much. These didn't fit. The jeans, this sweater just was not my style at all. Jean jacket, no, too expensive. It's cute though, but no. Black top. If I don't get the Sam Edelman shoes, I will be getting this because this is super cute. I can wear this anywhere. Very versatile with some jean shorts. So that is probably a keeper. These shorts were cute, but they just were a little bit too big in the waist. They were only $48, so they were actually a pretty good price. This cardigan was a tad bit too long. Super cute though. So overall it was a good box. This black top that I'm probably going to be keeping is $35. So with my $25 credit, I can get it for 10 bucks. So everything else I'm going to be sending back, but it was a all around pretty good box. My next one, definitely maybe try it again. If you guys don't know, there's a link down below for you guys to try the Nordstrom box. So definitely check it out. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.